Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a fun day. Right now I'm just eating a breakfast burrito that Nisha made me, but we got the rig. Austin's letting us borrow his trailer today, and we got the drift car all loaded up. And right now we're just waiting on Austin to get here to head out because he's going to the event as well. He's gonna be judging the competition portion of it. I won't be driving in the comp because I don't have a cage yet, but that's all right. Make do with what we got, right? So we're gonna hang out for a bit, go get some gas, and then we're gonna hightail it to Tucson and get this party started. All right, well, we made it to Musselman. Austin rode along. We're just unloading the everything for the pit. The truck did pretty good. Oil pressure started to get a little low because it was getting hot, but it made it. So it should be fine to drive back too. But overall, I'm really happy with how it performed. We're just gonna get ready for tech and just go over the car really quick and just do quick checks before we start. Not really certain when we're gonna start driving. A whole lot of unknowns right now, but yeah, I'll check back in after we do driver's meeting and tech and all that, if we have a driver's meeting, and then start thrashing. All right, so we passed tech like we knew we would, and look what we have with us.
Can you say hi,
So we're just I'm doing a spot check, just double checking torque on all the lug nuts, making sure tire pressures are good, and then we're just waiting to find out when the track goes hot. But very excited to be back here at Musselman. Haven't been out here since Spooky. It's redemption arc time. Last time we were here, you guys know I broke a wheel, so now we're a little bit more gripped up in the rear, and we'll see how she does. All right, driver's meeting over. Track's going hot in 5. I'm gonna get suited up and get out and get our first couple of laps in for the day. Down to 30 psi.
it's really soft in the back now, so you should have a lot more grip.
Okay.
So don't try to flick it as hard. Expect more drive, I guess.
Gotcha. Okay, so just kind of like let it creep in.
Not so much that, just don't try to over rotate the car.
Gotcha.
That makes sense. Like, don't try to do a big flick.
Okay.
Medium.
All right, so we've done, I'd say, like 40-50 minutes of driving. I mean, it's pretty cold out compared to last time we drove here, so the track is already slick. And then I did get the set of 4cm hexas, but as you guys can see, for what it is, it's not worth the money. Like, I know they're $70 tires, but I mean, like, they're just, the 400 treadwear is delaminating and has less grip than the 500 treadwear LG27s, and they're both right around $70 tires, but the hexas, there's 100 treadwear less. Is it worth the $70? Like, they, you know, apples to oranges, but they're just not good. Delaminating in the middle before everything else starts letting go. I guess I could have tried to like heat cycle them a little bit better, but the LG27s, the Land Goldens, seem to hold up. They seem to hold up a whole lot better. So we got out, and the car was super loose, just because track or suspension setup or tires. I let 10 psi out, and then Austin was helping me dial in the dampening. We kind of got it to a place where it's not too bouncy, but also not too stiff. We're definitely going to need to revise the shock and spring combo in the rear, especially, just because it's not wanting to do what I want it to do. But that's for another day. I'm going to throw the LG27s on it, and we're just going to drive on those for the rest of the day, because those should hold up. In other news,
Say hi. My big go bar.
okay, well, let's practice.
Okay.
Don't want to get copy strike, but Bluey. And then we got the wifey. It's awesome to have this a family affair. Right now the comp's going, so I'm going to be taking a minute, because I'm sure you guys saw in the footage, it was really bouncy and I got a little motion sick. But we're going to hang out a little bit and might eat something, and then we'll get back out there and see how the LG27s do. That felt way better.
What felt different about it? I mean, obviously the bouncing or in.
No bouncing. I felt way faster, like way more forward bite for sure. Side bite's a little iffy, but I don't know if that's the tire or the suspension at this point, because everything else felt great. Steering feels better. Like, I'm not having to like huck it as hard. The car is just rotating how it should now, it feels like. that's a wrap on Desert Style. It's a wrap on Musselman. It was a good day. We got a lot of laps in, and then our friend Laney killed a cone.
And my car, I think.
No.
Oh, look at this.
Don't look at it.
No, I'm not looking at nothing. I didn't see anything. A real good day. Car did great. And now it's time to make a trek back home. But I'm satisfied. All right, well, it's the morning after. I didn't film a closer last night because I kind of fell asleep on the couch. But, dude, Desert Style was actually a sick event. I don't know how many laps I even got.
You said you got like
40, 50,
40 to 50.
maybe more. I don't know. I lost count, but really good time. I feel like I redeemed myself a little bit just by not destroying a wheel on the inside of any corners. I did go off track a couple times, but I was finding limits, and those Forciums were very, 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 very slick. But that being said, really good event. I had a good time. Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
And Maya seemed to have fun.
For the most part.
So, but I'm really happy. We did find that we blew that shock, but you know, we'll get some new shocks for the rear, and possibly there's probably some taller springs in the rear too, just to make sure that we're not blowing any more shocks. And then we're already looking at the next event. But that being said, this next week I have some things that I need to get done to prep the car for when the cage gets here. So that should be some fun content. And then, yeah, sorry guys, I'm tired. But I appreciate everybody coming by and watching this week's video. And what a hell of a way to start the 2025 year off. But we're gonna go get coffee. So y'all stay easy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
See you next time.
Peace.
Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, day we hustle, but the oh my. I fucked up this Russell, day we hustle, but the oh my.